I love the tone of my talking. A little crazy, but I hear it every day. I like that I ain't like your body. Just let it go, let it flow, just another day. So let's get back on a late night. I dance cause I feel like don't get in the way of my time. Yeah, I know, oh yeah, I'm your type. Brave souls in a free life. Oh, yeah, I know.
We're just strolling here in the beach area of our campsite before we leave for Indian Lake. It's near nice beach. There's plenty of woods. Our campsite is up there. Really nice McLain State Park. The other side is Rocky Beach where we watch the sunset over there. Okay, selfie.
Let's give life a meaning. I won't stop till I realize.
Goodbye, Hancock. Not really. Goodbye, not the beach. Beautiful town.
Brave souls in a free life. Oh, yeah, I know. It's okay to be. I feel like I'm alive. No worries. Love you. It's okay to be. Free falling through the skies. Out of reach. From you. It's okay to be. It's okay. Oh, it's okay to be. Oh, it's okay to be. Tough luck, babe. Struck out when you had about 30 chances. One bad day, now you don't know how to pay for the damage. I don't wanna climb. If I'm gonna fall back, it's a waste of time. Keep winning. How the hell do you make it look so easy? I'm spinning, and I can't seem to get back on my feet. Yeah, I might give up.
Some junk for lunch. Junk. But nothing good open.
So willing to give it all deep into you might just shatter now. You're scared of time. Gotta beat the clock now. It's all up to pride. Tough luck, babe. Struck out when you had about 30 chances. One bad day, now you don't know how to pay for the damage.
We're back to Indian.
You have arrived.
Stopping over for the night. Let's see how many campers are around. We're here inside Indian Lake State Park. Still many campers. I can see our site.
Yep. Cute little teardrop next to it though.
Oh yeah. Oh, dear. Looks like we're on the only one tenting. I saw one there. Tent. Red and gray tent. Here we are back again here for the night. And there's a cute teardrop camper. Early.
1, 2, 3, let me see what you see. I just wanna understand what you see in me. And 4, 5, 6, am I complicating it? How could anybody love someone so damaged? And we don't always add up, but somehow we're always enough. 7, 8, 9, 10, baby, here we go again. If this is just a fraction of what lies ahead, then count me in, 'cause you know I'm loving this, I'm loving this. been tied. You plus love plus me. 1 plus 1 makes 3. How can this be? You and me make a prime number. I see that smirk. Guess you better check my work. Cause the way you got me feeling is a little bit blurred. So leaning close, nobody needs to know. Baby, they're all square and I've got them curves. Oh, we don't always add up, no. But somehow we're always enough. You make me feel even though I'm off. Subtract what's left and carry my heart. Believe in what we got. Pay no attention what you've been taught. You plus love plus me. 1 plus 1 makes 3. How can this be? You and me.
We're settled for the night. Sunset is coming in less than an hour. We're here in the McLain State Park for the night. Tomorrow heading back to home, Auburn Hills. And we got this pizza from the downtown Manistique. Pineapple for me and of course cheese
Main Street Pizza.
for husband. See, we got nice, oops, campsite. Evening. We're eating dinner by the sunset view. Wow, that's a really nice view. You're back. Look really around. Indian Lake State Park. So this here. Just like that, we're packed and ready to go.
Snap the fingers. No effort whatsoever. It just backs itself.
Looks like it's gonna be a nice warm day here. At least we're not rained. Hashtag lucky we missed the rain. I think it rained here the other day, like big rain.
Unbelievable.
Be back.
Hang on. Lakeside. When I set your stuff up as far away from the actual lake as possible.
Bye.
Come here.
This is for brunch.
Friday night, Ginger. Let's go to now. Big Bruce biscuits is really good.
Yeah.
Here's your Belgian waffle. Yeah. Amazing! Wait. Endless lake. Table. Stop by for pasties. Beef pasties.
Subscribe now.